Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make fermented cranberries in honey. Excellent in taste and good for your gut health. These are the spices I'm going to use to make the cranberries more flavorful and aromatic. We'll cut the ginger and turmeric into thin slices. Going to add some lemon zest. I love the lemony aroma in any food. It goes so well with drinks also. Take a sterilized jar and then add some cranberries, some ginger slices, turmeric slices, cinnamon sticks, few cloves and some lemon zest. And repeating this again. Now from top, I am going to pour organic honey and ensure that all the cranberries are coated with honey well. Ensure the honey you are using is raw and unfiltered to get more health benefits. Since I am using turmeric, I am going to use some black pepper powder. Our body absorbs the curcumin present in turmeric faster if there is black pepper present also in the food. That's why you should consume turmeric with black pepper powder to get more health benefits. Some lemon juice because honey and lemon makes an amazing combo. We'll add honey and mix it well, and then I'll try to smash some more cranberries and then we'll add some honey again. Since this lemon is exactly matching with the mouth of the jar, I'm just going to add this lemon on top. And I will keep for 2 days and then I will take it out. So in few days to week, I am going to get my cranberries ready. Three days over, and if you look carefully, you can see some bubbles in the jar. So that means the fermentation started. When the fermentation is active, ensure that you are burping the jar every day to avoid explosion. Now I am going to take out the lemon from top and mash the cranberries so that it will absorb the honey nicely. Though I am not going to fully mash all the cranberries, only some of the cranberries. We'll keep this few more days in room temperature and then I'll put in the fridge. Today is 5th day and the fermentation is really active, so I am burping every day 2 times. So you can see now the honey is no more that thick and sticky. It's quite liquid now. So you can start consuming now, but the cranberries are still very sour. I will keep few more days and then I will put in the refrigerator. One week over and you can see how actively it's bubbling. So there might be some alcohol forming also. For me, it's not an issue because I'm going to use these honey cranberries for my sourdough bread. I'm also going to consume time to time, but if you are not interested for alcoholic smell or the taste, you can keep in the refrigerator and finish within few weeks. You can also blend it and make it like a sauce and use for marination of chicken or fish. This is excellent for your health and can be used in many ways. If you have liked this video, comment below, give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button with the bell button, and I see you again with lots of fermented food and drinks recipes. Stay happy and healthy.